Pulse on South Korea, here's Julie and Sarah.
Do you like board games or video games? I like video games. Why? Welcome to Jeonbal Poly News Channel. Our top story is about board games versus video games. Which one do you like better? There are so many different kinds, such as timeless Mario games or Monopoly. Over time, many new games have been invented and they have been improved with technology.
Do you have a favorite game you always love to play? We are here to find out if video games or board games are more popular in Korea. We will investigate Jeonbal to see what is most popular. What do you think the student will like? We go to Rosa and Jessica live to find out.
What is your name?
My name is Jamie.
Do you like board game or video game?
I like video game.
What kind of you like?
A racing game.
Okay. My name is Terry. Do you like board game or video game?
I like board games.
What kind of you like?
I like chess.
Okay. What's your name?
My name is Tony.
Do you like board games or video games?
Board games.
What kind?
Murumago.
Okay.
I'm the Scarlet teacher.
Do you like board games or video games?
I like video games.
What kind?
I like fighting games.
Wow, it looked like both were really popular.
Well, that settles it for now. We'll just have to find out how the world of games changes in the future.
Valentine's Day is coming, and what does everyone want most? Chocolate, of course. A popular chocolate snack is Peppero. It even has its own day on November 11th. But on Valentine's Day, it's still nice to have. Today we will do a DIY, making your very own Peppero. We will make two recipes with two different toppings. First, you need thin breadsticks and milk chocolate. Second, for the topping, you will need M&Ms and Oreos or whatever you like. Third, you need to melt the chocolates in the microwave. While it's melting, crush your toppings. Fourth, dip your breadstick in the chocolate and the toppings. Last, let the Valentine's Pepperos cool. The best step is now to eat and enjoy and share with friends.
Now it's time to learn some English idioms with Mr. Idiom and his mischievous students.
Alright, everybody put a sock in it. Alright, today we're going to continue our lesson on the letter B. Alright? Does anyone have a snack? Do you remember our rule? No snacks in class. Who's eating chips? Zip it. Hey, pipe down.
it.
Zip it.
And last, pipe down.
Hey, pipe down.
Today's 3 idioms were put a sock in it, zip it, pipe down, and all mean be quiet.
Welcome back to the Word of the Week. I'm Ivy and I'm here to teach you a new word to try. Googleplex. A googleplex is a number so big that you will never count it in your lifetime. Even if you count it for 13 billion years, you'll never finish. I want a googleplex poly dollars.
Live your life. You steady chasing that big car, just live your life. Ain't got no time for no haters, just live your life.
Jeongbal Poly Student News was filmed live from our school in Ilsan, South Korea.
Polly.